This is the view down the dock as we enter Easter week and the second week of removing the old Barrack Street ramp. With the main ramp gone, Priestley are tackling the concrete surrounds. GIP and the welders are cutting down the last sheet pile. Tuesday is quite a damp day, but it doesn't slow the pace of work. At the top of Barrack Street, which we might have thought finished, 2 Hydrovac machines are busy. The purpose of the excavation is unclear. Priestley have effectively completed the removal of the ramp, and environmental specialists are present. Separating rebar from the concrete waste makes it easier to recycle. Wednesday sees work underway to move the last obstacles to bringing in infill gravel. At the same time, work is taking place to level the worksite. Priestley are clearing up their work area on what will prove to be their final day. Leaving the excavation open, Hewson's Hydrovac heads away from site. Safety is job number one on any site. And Thursday sees a routine briefing for the GIP crew. Down on the secondary dock, whilst the Amherst Islander 2 continues training, there's MTO activity with what appears to be preparations for some sort of mooring or improvised fender. Elsewhere, it's reasonably quiet, with activity only to level out the workspace. That makes it all the more of a surprise when just before 3 o'clock, Barr bring in this large excavator. It will be interesting indeed next week to see just what's in store. The best way to be sure of finding out is to subscribe, and I hope you'll do so. Thanks for watching.